Hi guys, so it is Bank Holiday Monday and I don't have any plans today other than I've got to get a bit of food shopping, but yeah, I thought I'd vlog anyway because you never know. And I feel like I don't vlog enough. I feel like my videos are all very structured. They're like shopping hauls or challenges, whereas I think I enjoy doing the vlogs a lot more. And just me personally, when I watch my favourite YouTubers, I like their vlogs. I like seeing what they get up to, and even if they're just at home feeding the kids or cooking, or you know, I still enjoy it. So I thought I need to vlog more. So it's like 8:30 in the morning. I don't know why I'm up so early. But I think I'm going to start my day off with a nice hot bubble bath. Just in case you were wondering what it was that I was actually putting in my bath, it's this Lush Magic Wand Bubble Bar. And you just hold it under the tap and it brings bubbles to your bath, and it changes the bath to a pink colour. And it says you can get 8 baths out of this, so you just do it for as long as you want to do it, and then you just put it away to dry and use it again next time. So today could be pretty boring. It's a shame because it's not raining, so it would have been good to do stuff, but I kind of have plans that are slap bang in the middle of the day. That means I can't actually go out and do anything. I'm picking my mum up from work at 1:30 and we're going to do a bit of a food shop together. And then that's it. But obviously until 1:30 it's like, what do I do? I got up early enough. I could have just got ready and picked Johnny out and we could have just gone somewhere, but that didn't happen because I got out of the bath and I lay on my bed and fell asleep for about an hour and a half. So yeah. So it's like, I don't know what the time is now, 11:45 I think. So yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to finish my cup of tea and then I will decide. Using my Girl Boss mug. It's different to the mug I used this morning because I was lazy, and rather than wash it up and reuse it, I was just like, put it on the side, get a new mug. I'm the only one doing the washing up, so it doesn't really matter, I suppose. But yeah. So I'm going to go pick up my mum now. I'm going to do a really quick food shop, and then me and Johnny are going to go to the Natural Living Rainforest in Newbury, which I have wanted to go to for years, but every time I suggested it to somebody, they were like, oh, it sounds boring, I don't really fancy that. But I love nature, I love creation, I love learning things, I love
pretty scenes. So I'm really excited to do this. I'm really excited to go. So gonna go get my mum and do the really, like, the quickest food shop I could do. Oh. So yeah, so I'm gonna gonna try and be as quick as I can so we can get going. So I forgot to mention, I'm actually driving Johnny's car at the moment because my car needs a new exhaust. So I can't do anything with it, which is really annoying. It means I have to go to work tomorrow. Sit still while I'm driving, please. So I have to go to work tomorrow at like 6 o'clock or 5:30, and I don't start till 7, but it's the only way I'm going to be able to get to work because Johnny will take me before he has to get to work, but he has to leave super early, so it means I've got to get there super early. So I'm using Johnny's car at the moment, and I don't know what I'm going to do about mine at the moment because I cannot afford I cannot afford to get it fixed, obviously with the wedding coming up, and I can't afford a new one. So I don't live local to where I work, so yeah. But Johnny's been very kind and let me use his car. I've been using my sister's as well. She's been really kind and shared her car with me. So I don't know where my mum is, but I'm getting my swimming rod stuff while I wait for her. She's obviously in the back room getting ready, but she's taking ages. I can't see what I'm... Oh, there it is. Look at that. Where is it? Show me. Oh, I see it. I see. I don't know. I see this one here, yeah. This is so pretty. And this is Johnny's favourite. The bigger, the better. Snakes.
No, not at all.
Lovely. Hello. I like it. Your reflections in the pond as well, it's really cool.
No, this way, babe. We've been there already. Yeah. amazing array of plant life. Maybe at some stage I'll be able to film Sarah without her phone in her hand.
I'm stuck in a tree in the rainforest. Oh, oh. Oh my goodness, look.
Oh,
I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it's a massive spider.
gross. I think so.
Ew, this is a Madagascan hissing cockroach. On my fridge. This cool mug. And this even cooler mug. Imagine drinking out of that.
Yeah. You get me a mug.
I've been called many things in my life. Jonathan is the name I best respond to. Oh look. Johnny's found some earrings, I think. I mean, they're not really earrings, but... Oh my goodness, he's breaking things. We're gonna get sent out. Oh, we're gonna get kicked out. Come on then.
Can I have these? Can I have these?
Very nice.
Can I have these?
So we have been to the rainforest. We were there about 45 minutes. It's very small, but it was quite cool. And now we are stuck in traffic, getting home.
The joys of Bank Holiday Monday driving.
Thank you for driving.
Now I feel so much better. I was
I have spent the last, I don't know, hour or so editing a really funny video for you, which will probably be up before this one actually. I'm not sure, haven't decided yet, but yeah, it's just uploading, so it's gonna be good.
well,
Nothing, just nothing. Oh my goodness, I have got hiccups and they're driving me crazy. Driving me crazy. So today was really good. Really enjoyed the rainforest. And it was quite good that I got to do that and have a massive long nap beforehand. I'm just going to wait for these hiccups to go. So as I was saying, I really enjoyed the rainforest and I was really grateful to be able to do that and have a long lie-in. So I feel like I've got quite a lot done today. So I'm just making tomorrow's breakfast, which is overnight oats. People on Slimming World will tell me that I'm very naughty for not measuring this out, but I haven't given myself a lot, to be fair. I don't think I'm far off. And I sort of just judge it based on the size of the yoghurt. So I'm using a Muller Lite orange, and it's sprinkled with dark chocolate. So I'm going to just soak the oats in that, and then I'll add the fruit tomorrow. I love overnight oats. Oh my goodness, guys, seriously, after that clip that I just showed you, I I spotted a spider on the floor, big one. So I got the broom, like jabbed it and held it under the broom, and it escaped and it started crawling up. So I like quickly like tapped it off the broom and then put the broom back on it, and then like had to go right close to the broom and put a tissue on it and like hold it there and squish it up, and I put it down the toilet because he is not welcome here. This flat is not a spider friendly flat. But yeah, it freaked me out a bit. It was literally like there the whole time I was filming, and I didn't even know, and I looked down, I was like, oh my goodness. So yeah, he's down the loo now. So who knows what this is? Forgive the lines down the TV, it's very old. This is one of my favourite sitcoms. It's called Kath and Kim. It's Australian, and it is just one of those typical cheesy, funny sitcoms. So this is kind of like on my TV all the time at the moment.
I can't believe I was so paranoid about him losing interest.
So that's it, guys. That was my vlog. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. But yeah, I have to go to bed now because I have to be up super early because I do not have a car. And because I don't have a car, it means Johnny has to take me to work. But because he has to be at work early, and he has quite a travel to work, basically he has to get me super early, and so I'm going to be at work tomorrow over an hour prior to my shift. So I haven't worked out how I'm getting home yet. I'm sure there's someone at work who'll be able to bring me back, but because I start so early, there's no one who can take me at the moment. So I have to get my beauty sleep because, yeah, it's going to be a long day for me tomorrow. So that's why I've planned my breakfast and my lunch and everything's thought out for tomorrow, because I don't want to be stuck. Well, everything except for my journey home is thought out. But yeah, so that was it. I'm going to end the vlog there, and this baby girl is going to sleep. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I will try and do more vlogs for you in the future, but if you do have any ideas of anything you'd like to see me do, please let me know, comment below, and that would be really great. That would really help me out, actually. So let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.